Hello student, today we are going to see class 10 physics chapter, light reflection and refraction, book back solution we are going to discuss. Okay, from 1 to it's a 13th question we are going to see. Okay, so first we'll see, choose the correct answer. It's for term 1. Okay, so first one, the material which is used to make the lens. So actually they are given many option, which is not used in a lens. Okay, all transparent medium we can use to make the lens except clay. Clay is a opaque object. Okay, the next one, where should the object place to get virtual, erect, magnified? In concave mirror. Okay, I should place the object in between F and P. Okay, option D, second question. Okay, so I am solving class 10 physics book back NCERT solution. Okay, then when the image will be at same size. Okay, using of convex lens, when the object is placed at C, image will be formed at C. Okay, real, inverted, same size. So option is going to be a B. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, which type of lens we can call as a negative lens? It's going to be concave lens and concave mirror. Both can be negative. Positive is convex. Okay, so next one, so which is going to be cost? It is real, virtual image. Okay, plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror. Okay, which is going to be produced always virtual. Plane always virtual, convex also always virtual, but convex can be produced always diminished. Okay, concave can produce as a real. This is for real. Okay, this is virtual, this is virtual. That means this two is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Next one, they are asked which magnification, which lens have the more magnification. Okay, there are example two focal length will take it. One is a 5 centimeter, another one is a 100 centimeter. Which will be offer more focal length? I know magnification formula. One, it is a simple magnification. One, yeah, m is equal to 1 plus d by f. D is 25 centimeter. Focal length 5 means magnification I'll get 6. Okay, focal length is 100 means magnification I'll get 1.25. So the best lens is 5 centimeter we can use for the simple microscope. Okay, so then I'm going with next question. Question number 7, where should place the object for concave mirror to get upright, virtual, erect, magnified? In between F and P. Okay, this is a question number 7, exact ray diagram. Okay, then they asked what is the lens can be used? Car headlight, concave. Okay, side mirror, convex, because it is a field of will be more, and this will be travel till infinite when the object is placed at F. Okay, solar furnace, so it's going to be concave because all the image will be converged at one point. Okay, the next one, question number 9, one portion of the lens is covered with black paper, so what will be happen? Same image will be formed, but the intensity will get diminished. Okay, only the intensity will get decreased, whether it is a below portion or above portion. Okay, so like this you can give the ray diagram. Then question number 10, object height is given, image distance is given, focal length is given, it is a convex lens. Okay, you should find the image distance, that's a question mark, and you should draw the diagram. Okay, object distance is how much? 25 centimeter. Focal length is 10 centimeter. So convex lens, 10 centimeter focal length, 2f is 20. So object I place 25, more than 20. Okay, that means behind C, when the object is placed behind C, image will be formed in between F and C. It is inverted real. Okay, already you need to know the ray diagram how to draw. Parallel ray will go through focus, center ray, and it will go straight. So it is a real, inverted, diminished will be formed. Okay, now using the calculation I am going to find. So see here, so u is given, f is given. Okay, so v only we are going to find. V is keep it here. This formula, if you are bringing here, minus u will become as a plus u. Okay, so this is 10 and u is going to be minus 25. So just I substituted the value. Okay, if you substituted the value, u I will get 15 divided by 25. Answer will be v is equal to 250 divided by 15. Finally v distance is 16.66, in between 10 to 20. Already I said. Okay, magnification is equal to v divided by u. V I know, u I know. Finally I will get as a 0.66. Whenever magnification I will get negative, that's going to be real. Already I told you it's a real image, and the range of 0 to 1 you can take it, that is going to be diminished image. Okay, the next thing we are going to do with the question number 30. Okay, magnification, Height of the image also we can find. H2 by H1 is equal to V divided by U. Okay, if you want H2, H1 you can bring this side. V I know, U I know, H1 I know. If you are substituted, H2 is going to be 3.3. Negative we'll get. Why we are getting negative? Because it's an inverted image. Okay. Next, magnification. Magnification positive one. They asked what it is. Positive means it's a virtual, upright, erect. Okay. And one is indicates as a same size. Okay, one is going to be indicated as a same size. So magnification, upright, virtual, erect. Okay, if example magnification is +1, one is going to be same size. -1, real inverted same size. Okay, in case magnification is negative means real, positive means virtual, 1 means same size, 0 to 1 means it's a diminished, it's more than 1 means it's going to be magnified. In case -2 is there, so what I can take, minus is a real inverted, 2 is going to be magnified because more than 1. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.